I'm Faith, and you're watching Willoughby DIY. Today's video, I've got a haul for y'all. So most of my stuff today is coming from Michael's, but I do have a couple of items I found on Amazon, and I'm always at the Dollar Tree like every week, so of course there's going to be some of that in there, and then one little bitty item from Family Dollar. So stay tuned to the end to see the Michael's grab bag I picked up. Maybe it's good, maybe it's not. I won't know until I open the box. I'm going to show you the bits and pieces I got at different stores and online first, and then we'll get to the Michael's haul, which is the main thing of the day, right? First up will be my Amazon haul, and these were, I just bought them last week and I already forgot how much I paid for them. They were, I want to say like $7. I don't know. I will post a link to this in my description. They are these mason jar lids, and you get 8 wide mouth and 8 regular. I bought silver. They have all different colors. They even have like a cute little light blue and white gingham pattern, which is super cute. But for my purposes, I wanted silver because it'll be the easiest color to change. So these little guys, you get 2 different sizes, 8 of each. And they have the nice little rubber gasket thing in there for a nice tight seal. And then for anyone who is, a YouTuber or trying to make videos for any sort of reason, this guy. It is a microphone stand, and I will link it below. It was 15 bucks. You can buy an adapter to hold your phone, or you can just use it for your microphone. But it mounts. It comes with one of these to sort of mount it on a table or something, and you can do top-down views and stuff like that. You can mount your camera on it. You can mount a phone on it. Just depends on the adapter you have. I already have something that will hold my phone. And if you hear people cutting their grass, just know I am on my front porch, because it's the only place in the house where I can get good lighting and not have the kids screaming and running in front of me. So, yeah. Sorry about that. But you're hanging out with me on my front porch, so that's kind of cool. I got a bunch of stuff from Family Dollar the other day, but it's mostly just stuff, like Febreze and things like that, because I just happened to be there and they have it. So, but I did find this totally adorable little tea towel, which I've already taken the labels off of, but it was only $1.25, guys. And it says, if life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Yeah, but it's got this beautiful blue color and then a brown color and obviously yellow, but I really liked it. I thought it was super cute. And now I have Dollar Tree items because I go to the Dollar Tree pretty much every week. I'm serious. I go there all the time and I get way too much stuff every time. Hi, I'm Faith, and I'm addicted to the Dollar Tree. Found some ribbon, found some cute ribbon, and you guys probably have already seen it. I know I've seen the lemon one before. I found it, super cute, decided to get it. And then I found this cute little polka dot one, which will go really good with it on pretty much anything. And this one I thought was so cute, and it's got little chickens and cows and pigs and a sunflower and barn, and it's super cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but it's cute. So I bought it, and this is just so pretty, and I think I'm gonna customize it for my sister and put pictures of her kids in it. I just thought that was just so sweet. Got a little thing so I can stand up. Wood cutout on here. They're really pretty. They have the 4th of July stuff, red, white, and blue stuff out, and I had to get this one, and it has these stars. I don't care about that one too much, but this one is like a aluminum sort of material, but I love it. I wish it had more of them on there. That'd be cool. But I thought it was super cute. The scarf, don't know what I'm doing with it yet, but gonna do something. Maybe line a basket or wrap it around a wreath. Something. I just couldn't help myself but to get more letter stencils. I told you guys last fall, every time I go to the Dollar Tree, I look for new letter stencils. And I found some lowercase ones. Finally. I need them so bad. Everything is uppercase. They don't have anything lowercase. But it was really nice. I like that one. And then this one, which is super pretty. I love that font. It's so loopy and pretty. Probably the coolest thing I found is something I've never seen at Dollar Tree. And maybe they had them last year and someone just went and bought them all. That's always possible. But I found these citronella spiral candles. Spiral citronella candles. And they had some yellow ones, I want to say. Yellow, I seen teal, and I seen these gray ones. Now I don't know if that means the color of the candle is going to be that, but I'm assuming so. You know, and it's got like bamboo sticks. I mean, they're long. They're long. Yeah. I'm going to open one real quick and let you guys see what it looks like. Okay, so slightly disappointed that this is not a gray candle, but it's a pretty spiral color, or spiral shape. It's not bad. I mean, I was hoping for a gray candle. The yellow and the teal one might be their colors, but it's probably just going to be white, sadly. Smells pretty good for a citronella candle. Doesn't quite smell like citronella to me, but it better work. If not, I only spent $2, so can't complain too much. And I think that's everything except for the Michael stuff. Okay, real quick guys, look down below the video, see the like button? Yeah, could you tap it for me? I'd appreciate it so much because it helps out my channel way more than you know. And if you're interested, check the description box for links to my Instagram and my Facebook group. Question of the day is, what's your favorite store to shop for craft supplies? So, the first thing I'm going to show you guys, I did not get any special deals or coupons or anything. I just like them. But they have these little wood signs. 99 cents, actually. And it's big. I like it. They have one that said family and home and different stuff, you know, like Dollar Tree does, but it's 1 cent less, so that's nice. I got these, which they're little wood Keyrings. I got the round ones and then the rounded rectangular shaped ones, which I think look kind of like, you know, shopping tags. So I know a lot of people like that sort of thing for putting little signs on baskets or organizers and stuff. So these are 99 cents for 4 of them. So basically a quarter a piece. It's not too bad. But you could definitely keep them as key rings because they come with their key rings. The next things are more little wood things, but I got these on clearance. So that was pretty nice. They're all the little bitty wood bits, you know, like these little wood buttons, which I thought would make great feet, or like little knobs for canisters or something, small canisters. Got those for 99 cents. These little candle cup shaped ones, which are so cute, by the way. But they're definitely going to be useful for basically the same thing. And then these are little mini spools, and I also got these for 99 cents as well, and I just thought these were just so cute. I was going to get a little like fat square of buffalo check fabric, and it was only $1.59, which I'm fine with, except I walked around the corner and seen this bandana that looked exactly the same. The fabric is slightly rougher texture, and it's actually, the fat squares are 18 by 21 inches. This is 21 by 21, and it was on clearance for $1. So, I was pretty happy about that. It looks like pretty much exactly the same. Like, I held them up next to each other, and you couldn't tell the difference. Except for when you touch them, the fabric is slightly different. They had a lot of their florals on clearance, and I found this one. It's normally $8.99. It's like a little cream shade rose bush, but it's so pretty. I mean, it has like the little bits off the side, like there's You know, like it's growing more flowers. Even has the buds. I really wanted this for my tray that sits on my ottoman. I have a little floral arrangement there, just really small, but this is perfect because it's all I need. It'll fit perfectly in there, and it's beautiful. But I got it for $4, so that's even better. Probably my favorite clearance find of my Michael's trip is this. This thing is normally, I think it said like $11.49. It was almost $12, normal price. I got this 2 yards of burlap fabric for $5. So that made me happy. We're almost done, and I just realized I forgot a Dollar Tree thing, which I know everyone's been showing these, but I had to get 2 of them, and they're so cute. So I got this one, but this is my favorite one. I love the little stacked farm animals. They're so cute. Okay, so that's out of the way. I can't believe I forgot that. 2 more things, and then we'll get to the grab bag, right? And I wanted to show you guys this because for $5, it's pretty awesome. I mean, it's long, it's framed, and it already has something to hang it with, no matter which orientation you choose. And I'm probably going to use it for my laundry stand. Just a second. I was wrong. It's $4.49. Even better. And I got this because I'm going to use it to make a really awesome thing for my mom for Mother's Day. And this thing was the most expensive item I think I purchased today from Michael's. Yeah, $8.99. But I think for a piece this big and finished, it's soft, it's smooth, mostly pretty sanded down, it's framed. This one doesn't have hangers though, which is kind of disappointing since you charged me $8.99. But yeah, they have a bunch of different sizes of these. They're really cool. They actually had some really affordable wood stuff at Michael's. So if you really like woodcraft type stuff, definitely check them out, because sometimes the stuff's on clearance and you can get it for half price or even more off. Like, last but not least, cute big, the grab bag. I'll just show you the tag. But yeah, I've never gotten a grab bag before. I've never actually seen one at my Michael's. I think people just grab them faster than I can make it there. I don't go there that often. Anyway, grab bag, or rather, box. Huge box. Oh my god. I mean, there's like so much of it. Oh yay. I got the paper filler kind. You know, I won't need to buy Easter basket grass forever. Thing is, I never bought it to begin with. I always use tissue paper. It's easier to clean up. Well, you know, the lady could have told me. She could have been like, look, that's not worth it, lady.
Ooh, that's a big egg.
This is pretty cool though.
Yeah. Yeah.
These are normally $9.99.
Ow.
I got 2 of them.
Oh, that's a sparkly egg.
It sure is a sparkly egg. This
What's
retails for
inside?
$20.
What's inside?
And it says it's jumbo nested eggs, which means, oh, it's 3-piece. It's sparkly, as you probably heard my daughter say. It's huge. This thing's bigger than my head. Oh, they're all the same color. So then you get a smaller one. These would make really cute Easter decorations for your yard or something, though. I'm gonna have to hold on to these till next year, I guess. And then we'll see what I can do with them then.
The next one.
Or I could be creative and figure out how I can use them sooner than next Easter. I hate to disappoint you guys, but that was it. I mean, I guess there's like $30 worth of giant eggs in here. I do like these though. These would be a lot easier to paint because that other one has got like textured glitter. I'm covered in glitter now. Thanks. Yeah, they open. I was hoping for more, but I wasn't expecting too much, you know. But let's see. Let's count them. I've got 5 of these ones, 3 of these blue ones, 6 of the green, the pink ones, 16 bags of Easter basket filler. But I do love those huge eggs. Those are really cool. So I can really do some cool stuff with those. But that's all my haul for today. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Make sure you tap that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. As always, have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time.